Hey, thanks for checking out my video today. Gonna do, well, first let me say I'm back. It's been, what, 6 months since I posted a video. Had some health concerns. They're not quite over yet, but the health concerns kept me from doing videos. Doing other cars, I should say. I did my own a couple times this year. This nice rinseless wash with, of course, this Drive Auto Appearance ceramic hybrid wash and detail concentrate that you see in the rear right. But I'm ready to do another car. Gonna do it today, and these are I'm gonna do my mother's car just to get back in the groove. Her car is garage kept, driven very little. She doesn't drive it anymore. She just it gets driven when my brother comes and visits from out of state. But I say it's garage kept. Last time I actually washed it was almost 2 years ago, believe it or not. And it still looks real nice and shiny. But it's got some road film on it, some light dirt. So I've decided to do this quick job on it. When I want to do a quick job and get great results, this is the combo that I like to use. It starts out doing a rinseless wash with the Drive Auto Appearance ceramic hybrid wash and detail concentrate, using it as a rinseless wash. This can be used also as a waterless wash, and you can use it for detail spray, which I actually did yesterday on my car. Cleaned the glass with it, believe it or not. Came out amazing, and left a little bit of ceramic protection on the glass. And you can also use it for clay lube if you wanted to. But the job I'm going to do today, I'm going to start out with this Drive Auto Appearance ceramic hybrid wash and detail concentrate as a rinseless wash. And I will use that on her car. And geez, most of the time, I've never come across a situation where doing that alone doesn't give amazing results. And it does leave a little bit of ceramic protection on the car. But I'd like to leave a little bit more. Last year I got this sample bottle from CAM, Drive Auto Appearance, of the Rejuvenator spray. And this year I bought some more. So I'm gonna use this for the first time, the ceramic Rejuvenator spray. The reason why I bought more without even barely trying the sample bottle, because anything from Drive Auto Appearance is just plain amazing. So I'll do the rinseless wash. Then I'm going to do the ceramic Rejuvenator spray for the protection. It does say on the bottle it can be used as a standalone protection. If I'm not mistaken, I think it said it gives up to 6 months protection using it as a standalone. Like I say, I'm sure it has the same properties as the ceramic wash, and that ceramic wash just blows me away anytime I use it. So why not add the Rejuvenator spray to give it that extra protection? And as little as that car's driven, it doesn't need a lot of protection. It just sits in the garage most of the time. The car is going to be shiny to start out with, due to my previous details, as you could say, over the past few years. But we're looking to make it better. If I remember, because I'd have to drive to where the car is, if I remember, I'm going to take my gloss meter with me. I'll take a reading before I do anything, then after I do the hybrid wash, and then after I use the Rejuvenator spray. So it should be interesting. The video, I won't bore you with any Bach's or Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, or not the fourth one either. I'm just going to do the job. I hope to record while I'm doing a little bit of the wash and adding the ceramic Rejuvenator spray, and not just giving results after I use it. We will see. So that's about it. Like I say, if you ever get anything from Dry Water Appearance, start out with the hybrid wash and detail concentrate. It just puts you at a different level, and it's something anybody can use if they're looking to use a get into rinseless washing. So there you have it. And after I use this rejuvenator spray, I'm sure I'm going to be recommending that also. Never fails. Dry Water Appearance just knocks my socks off. It never ceased to amaze me. I bought some interior products this year. I've got still a little bit of the Victory Nano Polish and Seal, which I use a lot of. But well, the video here is on these two products. Gonna see how they work. I'm just doing a quick job. So I thank my cat for letting me use her tree. And the next video will be me doing the wash and the rejuvenator spray. So if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I plan on doing a lot of videos this year, health allowing. And we'll be back with the next video. I am going to do, pretty sure I'm going to do separate videos. We'll find out afterwards. Maybe I'll just combine everything. So we will be back with the results.